The Q3 Product Installation Instructions. Accessories Introduction. The number 1 is camera part. The number 2 is control board. The number 3 is battery. The number 4 is screw. The number 5 is paddle. The number 6 is fuselage cover. The number 7 is bottom fuselage. Installation steps. The first step. Install the camera part onto the bottom fuselage using the screws. The second step, connect the control board to the camera part. Then secure the control board by pressing it into place. The third step, fix the control board into the bottom fuselage using the screws. Next, mount the motor in its designated spot, ensuring the pin faces upward. The fourth step, connect the light connector to the control board. The fifth step, install the fuselage cover onto the bottom fuselage using the small screws. Tighten the screws into the designated holes. The sixth step, install the paddles. This is a 1. This is B1. The A paddles are installed on the up left and down right. The B paddles are installed on the up right and down left. The last step, insert the battery into the fuselage. Press and hold the button. When the light turns on, the installation is complete.